Friends, we'll first understand what is Pandas and what are the different sections of Pandas we are going to learn. So we'll start with the basics on Pandas, what's a data frame and what's a series. Now data frame and series, these are frequently we'll be using, data frame more will be using. Now moment you think of a data frame, it's a very simple term, think of a Excel file. A Excel file will have a rows, columns and at the top will have labels or we call it as headers. In a very simple term, you just understand Pandas data frame is a Excel file. It's a two-dimensional Excel file. And another thing is, when you think of a series, think of a column of a particular Excel file. That is a single one-dimensional. So series are one-dimensional and Pandas, our data frame, are two-dimensional. These are the two basic difference. We will apply all the functions and everything, and with these two we will be using our Pandas data frame. Now Pandas data analysis and all will be the next, and because we want to create our data frame first, so in second part we will take how we will read the data from CSV, Excel, MySQL or any other database or any other data source. It can be a JSON string also, XML also, and we will take the data and create our data frame. Then after manipulation we can even write it back to all those format or to a different format also. Next we will work on data cleaning and pre-processing, because the moment we receive data, it will be not in the format, may not be in the format we want. There will be some missing values, certain formats, wrong formats will be there, decimal will not be there, we may require decimal. How we will pre-process it? And also we may have to scale up or down, bring it within the range, then what logic will I use to bring it within the range. Then we may have to filter it also, then take the outputs, then handle the duplicate values, missing values, all those stuff this is all we'll learn in our pre-processing, and we'll move to next. In data manipulation and analysis, we'll learn the indexing and selecting of data in various conditions, filters and all, and then we'll be sorting it and with ascending, descending, whatever way we want, and we'll also filter the data. And important is we'll apply we'll group the data and apply the statistical tools like our sum, average, minimum, mode, median, all those statistical tools will be, whatever the available functions will be using them. And also we'll be learning about merging different data frames, creating reports based on the merged data frames and different types of merge. So it will be easy for us to further apply and generate different graphs. In time series and dates, we will work on the date columns where we can group the date records based on the month, year and say days, and apply also all our statistical tools and all. Rolling window also we'll learn on that. And then we'll move towards our data visualization. In that we'll create different graphs. This Pandas library can easily integrate with different Matplotlib or Seaborn, all other libraries where the graphs are generated, pie chart, then the bar chart, all type of charts will work with, taking the data from Pandas after the analysis also. Now after towards the end of this, we'll integrate Pandas with our GUI application, also graphic user interface, where the user themselves can select a file. Say in our Pandas, we are writing a simple path asking the application to pick up the file from the path and create a data frame. In a GUI application, we will give the user to browse the local file system and pick up the Excel file to create the data frame. So that way we can even sorting also, we can give buttons to sort where the button will be on the GUI. So that it is a user interface will integrate with Pandas. So that's all. These are all the stuff we will be going to cover it, and based on the requirement we will be moving and integrating others also. So I'll request you, please subscribe more, and request your friends also to join, those who will be benefited, and please join this program. Shortly we'll be uploading the exact date and time. Thank you. Please share this with your friends.